What is the Disney Park Pass Reservation system? Who needs to make a Disney Park Pass reservation? When can you make a Disney Park Pass reservation? Where can you make a Disney Park Pass reservation? And finally, how do you make a Disney Park Pass reservation? That's the story this week.
Come to this happy place. Welcome.
Welcome back to the Bear's Den. The Disney Park Pass reservation system was implemented with the reopening of the Walt Disney World theme parks in 2020, after 4 months of being closed. It gave Disney the ability to control crowds while the parks were at very limited capacity, but I think Disney came up with something that isn't going anywhere for a long time to come. In this video, I am answering the what, who, when, where, and how of the Disney Park Pass reservation system. First, what is the Disney Park Pass reservation system? Simply put, it is a tool for you to use to reserve your spot at a single Walt Disney World theme park on a single day of your trip. Much like you would make a reservation at a restaurant or a resort, you now need a reservation to enter a Walt Disney World theme park on a specific day. The next question is, who needs a Park Pass reservation? The answer is anyone who needs to purchase a ticket to enter a Walt Disney World theme park. This means that any guest ages 3 and up with a ticket to enter the park must also have a Disney Park Pass reservation to enter that park. After that, you need to know when you need a Disney Park Pass reservation. That is, anytime you are entering your first park for the day. The rule is this: you need to make one reservation for one specific park on one specific day. So if I am planning my day to be at Epcot on Tuesday, then I need to make a reservation to enter Epcot on Tuesday. Once I have entered Epcot on Tuesday that I made my reservation for, if I decide to leave and go to Hollywood Studios, I can hop over there after 2 p.m. and enter without a reservation for Hollywood Studios. The same goes for if I decide to leave and come back to Epcot on the same day that my reservation was for. Remember, one reservation for one specific park on one specific day. Finally, let's talk about where you can make Disney Park Pass reservations. Any of the 4 Walt Disney World theme parks require you to have a reservation. Where a reservation is not required are places like resorts, obviously, Disney Springs, or water parks. Let's jump into how to make a Disney Park Pass reservation, and let's start by making one on the computer. To start, we're going to go to disneyworld.com, and once the page loads, we're going to slide all the way to the right and drop down the My Disney Experience menu. Now, you may need to log in first, but once you do and the page reloads, we're going to scroll down and select the Disney Park Pass system. On the next page, we're going to select the ticket type that applies to us. Now, unless you are a Disney Annual Pass holder, you are going to select theme park tickets. But since I am a Disney Annual Pass holder, I'm going to go ahead and select annual passes. And then on the next page, if this pops up, you're just going to go ahead and select book park reservation again. Now, you may not get this middle page because it is just for annual pass holders, and you may just come to the create your party page. Once you're here, go ahead and select everybody that is going to be traveling with you or going to the park on that day with you. Scroll down and click continue. And then on the next page, we're going to see the calendars with the open availability on the different days for different parks. Just above the calendars, you'll actually see this legend here explains to you what each of the symbols underneath the date means. And so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the day that we're going to the parks, and then we're going to actually pick the park that we're going to on that day. Now, after we click continue, there is one more step before our reservation is completely booked, and that is the review and confirm page. Here, we are going to see our reservation date, the park that we're planning to go to, who is going to be going to the park with us on that day. We have to agree to the terms and conditions and the COVID-19 liability waiver. Now, once we click continue, we'll get a confirmation page, we'll get a confirmation number, and we'll get an email sent to us confirming that our reservation was made. Now, to make the Disney Park Pass reservation on your phone or tablet, first you want to open up the My Disney Experience app. On the bottom navigation bar, click the plus icon and then select Make Park Pass Reservation. This is actually going to open My Disney Experience on a web browser on your phone or tablet, and you may need to log in again. But once you have, the process is then the same as you would do on the computer. Select your party, select the day you want to go, which park you want to go to, agree to the terms, and there you go. Our day at the Walt Disney World theme parks is now set, and we can move on to planning out that day, including what are we going to eat while there. To see how to make a dining reservation inside of the My Disney Experience app, click on the video on the screen right now. And remember, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.